You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me.
This is my new space. This is my new studio. I'm excited for new things. There she goes. So, you know, man.
There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it, baby. Don't close your eyes to get away.
Hey, bestie girls, come with me. Alright, so bestie girls, this is my new space. This is gonna be my new studio. I'm going to explain everything to you guys soon, but for now I just want to show you guys what it's giving. Okay, it looks very empty now and it's echoing, but I'll give you guys my, my finished look very soon. Just give me a little bit, but yeah, I love my room. I cannot wait. This is going to be like a studio, basically just for filming and all of that. My creative space is so. I'm excited for new beginnings. Thank you, God. Thank you to my man. But I'm so happy. Such a big blessing. Okay. Okay, bestie girls, so we are at the, where we are, baby?
Mariam Babangida Leisure Park.
Mariam Babangida Mariam Babangida Leisure Park. So we are going to the zoo now, and yeah, I'm excited. It looks like a really nice place. Are we going to walk inside the sand, inside the grass?
Sure.
Okay. So let's go and have a good time in Asaba. Girls, we're at the zoo and I'm seeing a zebra. Just one zebra. Just one. I feel bad for the zebra because he's bored. He'll be bored. But like, that's not what life is about. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the animals now. So you guys will see them. I feel so sad for him. Or for her. Or for it. Or they, them. Imagine like having no friends, having no bestie girls. Annoying, right? I know. But that's the zebra. My first time seeing a zebra, I think. Look at this girl just eating. So beautiful. Such a big bird. What are you eating? It's moving. Whoa. That's insane. Let's go and see the birds. We just finished seeing the reptiles, so let's go and see the birds. Oh, this is a peacock. Okay, they put them together. Crown cream. Hey, girly. They don't even care about us. They're already used to it. We're going to see the king of the jungle, right? The lion or the lions. We're going to go and see we're going to go and see the lion. Like, I've never seen a lion before. So the cheetah. Oh wow, that's a baby. That's not, is that a cheetah? No, that,
I don't know why they call it.
that's not a cheetah. That ain't a cheetah.
Just look up.
She's coming, she's coming, baby. She's coming. She's coming.
You guys are wearing matching outfits.
You know, lioness, you know? You don't recognize me. Oh my god, I'm standing next to a lion. Yes.
Are you scared?
My eyes are scaring you.
Why?
You look so beautiful. Hey girl. Very wicked. I got it. I got it. Okay, let's go, shall we? Alright, so basically girlies, we're on a Ferris wheel. This is my first time ever getting on a Ferris wheel. Like, it's so slow, it's not fast, thank God. But I'm really high above the ground. I'm kind of nervous, but you know, the bestie girl is adventurous, okay? I'm giving Dora the Explorer vibes, but anyway, can you guys see behind me? I don't know if you guys can see, but let me zoom in so you guys can see how far we are off the ground. Very high off the ground. So I'm going to show you guys. My battery is dying. Oh, okay, I have extras. Hey bestie girls, oh my goodness, my face looks so fat. Like, I've gained so much weight, but I'm about to get ready for like dinner slash lunch, and my hair, oh child, my hair looks a mess. Well, anyways, I'm about to get ready for dinner. I'll be lunch, I'm not sure. I'm about to get ready, and I'll see you guys when I'm like fully dressed and give you guys the outfit dates. I know this vlog has just been somehow, but I'll explain, all right?
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space leave us in peace. All of these niggas we gon' use.
Okay.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all